Wait guys, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be playing Roblox, and you're like, why are we on Roblox today, right? Why are we on Roblox? So we're gonna be spying for owners. Owners, I hate owners, and I ain't sus like them. So yeah guys, right now we're just gonna get out this, and we're gonna go drive to a house and see if there's an owner. And that's what we're looking for today. So I think there's a house up this hill. Yeah, the pink house. And what should we do? Here, first, let's get tiny. Did you hear that? Alright, let's get very tiny. That's what we need to do. Oh, the blinds are closed too. Okay, these has to be on. The blinds are closed. And it's very dark in there. So these are definitely owners. So I'm going to pull out the sleeping bag and I'm blind. I can't even see it. Okay. Okay, got it. And let me make sure I can get out. Okay, there. Okay, no one's here. I just went in here and I did not mean to. Bathroom? I'm not fucking on it. Oh, the last story. I think there's a second, yeah. Let's see if we can do this. Oh my god. Guys, do you hear that? It's like a clown. I actually freaking hear that. Ooh. Yeah. Is this on the game? Or I don't know why, bro. You're like, why in the chicky baka do I have no face? Look, I can literally hear it. Wait, what does this one look like on me? No, I don't like that. I like this. If it's even here. Oh, I don't know what. Okay. I like that. I like. I'm hearing something, guys. Do y'all hear the clown? Okay, tell me y'all heard that, right? Look, I'm gonna turn it up. That was Kurt. Bro. What? Okay, this is actually scary. This is Brookhaven and it ain't supposed to be scary. What is that? Guys? Tell me y'all hear that, bro. Bro, let me get grown up. Do you hear that? Bro, y'all do not. Bro, y'all. Bro, what is that noise? Bro, what is that noise? Kicked from this. Oh, I thought my whole Roblox account was gone. Bro. Man, I was... Bro. Guys, you know what we were supposed to look for? Straight... Oh, y'all heard that, bro. Y'all had to heard that. That was creepy. Brookhaven is not supposed to be scary at all. Like, it's just supposed to be a normal game. Not scary. And we're gonna just end this video right here, guys. I'll still post. And I hope y'all subscribe. Wait, does it let y'all subscribe? Y'all tell me in the comments. Does it let y'all subscribe? Because for me, it does not let me subscribe. So y'all please subscribe if it lets you. So, yeah. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And please leave a like and comment what next video we need to make on Roblox. I really like this plane game that I'm on. This thing is very fun. You gotta drive planes and stuff and land it, yeah. So, or we could play this game we played one day. This, like, you can go mudding, camping, whatever. Yeah, I like the games. They're very fun. So yeah, I hope y'all just subscribe if y'all need to. Did I just say need? Alright, y'all please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace. You think we're gonna end this video, huh? You think we're gonna end this? You think? We're still looking for owners. Do I see what I see? Owner game. Alright guys, we'll just end the video, bro. Hope y'all subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.